What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Join us today as we may or may not buy a new car. You guys can see the trailer right there. I don't know, man. We're going with the intentions of buying it. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we'll see. Super excited. It's a different type of car, not something you guys would think of or like have in mind. So yeah, super excited, see what happens, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. We're on our way right now. It's about 25 minutes away. The dealership is about 25 minutes away. I'll give you guys that hint, but yeah, we're about to head out right now. I'll pick up the camera once we get there. Not a race car. We'll see what happens. Oh damn, we're here, guys.
Oh, you left.
¿Mande?
Ahora le toca a usted
¿Qué, amiga?
hacer una entrevista.
No.
Alright, guys, I got a new quad. There it is. Nice. Nah, I'm just kidding. I was looking more for like a bike, so this one over here was kind of Nardo, and yeah, I decided to get this one. It's pretty badass. Gonna put it on the trailer right now. We're gonna take it, but it looks badass. This is a new car. I didn't want to say bike because you guys were gonna know what it was, so I said car. You know what I mean? Nah, I'm just kidding. This is a new off-road mobile, guys. Oh hell yeah! Look at those tires, bro.
Which one?
All over the dunes and the mountains and the rocks. So this one. Sheesh. Which one do you like?
No.
This one, huh? Yep. This is the one. I think I'm gonna take it.
Hell yeah, guys.
Okay.
And we got the key. I mean, it'll stay on the thing, but I'd just say take it off, you know? I was like, that's it, manual and everything.
If anything were to happen when we lose the key, what would we do?
We can get it. Hell yeah, guys.
Okay.
And we got the key. I mean, it'll stay on the thing, but I'd just say take it off, you know? I was like, that's it, manual and everything.
If anything were to happen when we lose the key. Alright, guys. This is what I got. Oh, I got a Canon. I was looking for the black one, but here where I wanted to come, they didn't have the black one. And I like the blue one, but I had never seen it in person, so I came to see it, and I actually really liked the way it looked. I came to see it a few days ago in person, and I liked the way it looked. So, well, we came back today. Came with my dad. He helped me out, and yeah, man, new depth that I'm in now. Freaking Can-Am plus everything that I'm gonna do to it or want to do to it. So yeah, we'll see how it is. I think I am gonna go to my brother's house right now up the hill in Adelanto, probably to go ride. I don't know, I'll see right now where everybody's at, but I'll get back to you guys once I do get to the house, because I'm probably gonna drop my dad off and then we'll go from there. But yeah, all right guys, see you once we put the car down. Give you guys a little more of a view around the car and stuff, so see how it goes. Shout out to Brian and Kyle at Mountain Motorsports in Ontario, California though. They helped me out to get everything started and stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, here I am editing this little video, short video that I filmed when I picked up the Can-Am. I was so excited. I didn't record when I went to my brother's house, when I dropped it off, when we actually went riding for a little bit. I didn't record anything. I was just so excited to just go riding and stuff, so yeah, sorry about that guys, but yeah, short little video this time. Just wanted to, I actually was considering not even uploading it, but I was like, might as well, you know, it's a little bit of the experience that I had when I went to go pick it up. So yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys will enjoy the new content coming. I still have the M5, I still have the X5, you know, those cars aren't going anywhere. But now we have a Can-Am as well, so now we can do a little bit more different like type of car content. But yeah, I'm still gonna continue building the M5 and stuff. Still gonna continue doing little things to the X5, but I am gonna have a lot of fun with the new toy. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys are excited to see some Can-Am videos. And yeah guys, I will be uploading this hopefully August 25th, which is the day of my birthday. I'm actually filming this on August 25th, so I'm trying to finish editing and uploading this before I have to go to work. But yeah, today, August 25th, it is my birthday, so super excited. 2 years ago, I bought my M5 a week before my birthday, and 2 years later, I bought myself a Can-Am a week before my birthday. So, and yeah, guys, I'm super happy, super excited, and yeah, I'll just go ahead and end it there. Once again, hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.